yeah, I mean the song progression from what I hear, right? So it's just gonna be obviously the first Kemang gonna start from 3, and then on my right hand I'm gonna be playing the second version of 1. It's gonna be, then I'm going to 4, so it's gonna be, then the second Kemang, then it's gonna start from 6, then going to 5, and then on my right hand I just continue to voice that I don't know the lyrics of the song, but yeah, I just continue to voice that while on my left hand I just maintain that, I mean the first one, as I said, the first Kemang, so it's just, the second one, 6, 5, then the entire song, I mean the entire song progression is pretty much like that. Obviously then the bass guitars, they'll do their own things. I think I had somewhere they do something like, but something like that. If you have a bass guitar player, then you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, but you as a pianist, just gonna be doing this. So instead of going to the second version of 1 on your right hand, you can also play the sharp C, and then play your A, and then play your A flat or G sharp, right? Instead of playing the second version of 1 on the right hand, you can play this, or I can just say. So it's up to you. You can do this, or you can do this. And that's the entire song progression. I hope this helped. That's just, the beginner level of the song progression. All right.